that seatbelt chime annoying? Let me show you how to fix that. As you heard, the chime was going off on our way over here. So what you're going to do is start with the truck off. You got to put your seatbelt on. Don't touch the brake. You're going to go into run mode. So either the first option or the second one, depending on your truck. From here, in 10 seconds, you're going to take out the seatbelt and put it back in 3 times. So do that over your head. 1, 2, 3. Then with the seatbelt in, you're going to turn it off. It's going to chime to let you know that it worked. Now you can start it up. Take the seatbelt off. All right, so we're going to go drive again, and we'll see if that chime starts going off. So the light on the dash will still indicate that the seatbelt is off, but there's no chime, no noises if you need to hop in and out of your truck. So we recommend that you always wear your seatbelt, but for those times when you're plowing or working on a job site, putting on and taking off your seatbelt every couple of seconds. So I hope this is a helpful tip for model years 2018 to 2025 Ram 1500s. Should also work for 25 and 3500s as well.